How to fix Snapchat login problem with support code c14a. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to fix the Snapchat login problem with the support code c14a. So now without further ado, let's get started. So here first thing first is to check your internet connection. So first always make sure that your Wi-Fi or mobile data is working properly. And Snapchat often shows login errors if the connection is unstable. And with that, moving forward to the second step, that is to update the Snapchat app. So here simply open the Play Store app and now here simply search for Snapchat. And in this section, if you find any update button of the Snapchat, then simply update the Snapchat to the latest version because older version may cause the C14A login error. And with that, moving forward to the step 3, that is to clear the Snapchat cache. So simply long press on the Snapchat app icon and tap on app info. And now here in this section, just tap on clear data and tap on clear cache and confirm it. And with that, simply have to clear the cache because clearing it can fix login and loading problem without deleting your account. And with that, moving forward to the step 4, that is to reboot your device. So simply restart your phone to refresh network and app settings, and after reboot you can try logging in again. And with that, moving forward to the step 5, that is to contact the Snapchat support. So here, if the issue still persists, then you can simply go to the Snapchat settings and there you can simply tap on the Help Center section, and from there you can simply contact the Snapchat support and they will guide you through fixing the login issue. And that's it. Now you know how to fix the Snapchat login problem with the support code C14A. And with this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.